In our last class, we have seen what is correlation and types of correlation. In that, we have seen two methods, scatter diagram method and Curl-Pearson's coefficient of correlation. In this presentation, I am going to teach you rank correlation, which is important 5-mark question, and Spearman's rank correlation. In this, we are having two types, non-repeated and repeated problems. So we are going to solve some simple problems on rank correlation, repeated and non-repeated rank.
Let us see the definition of Spearman's rank correlation method. We have three types in correlation. First one, scatter diagram method. Second one, Curl-Pearson's method. Third one, Spearman's rank correlation method. In this method, it is based on rank. It is very useful when the data is qualitative nature like honesty, efficiency, intelligence, beauty, etc. In calculating rank correlation coefficient, the problem may be of the three following types. Our first type is when ranks are given. Second type, when ranks are not given. Third type, when repeated values or repeated ranks are given. In first type, which is when ranks are given, we have to use this formula. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n of n square minus 1. Here n is, we know what is n. N is number of data given in our question. D, we have to find the value of D, which is the difference between the given pairs. For example, if they are given x value, which is our rank 1, y value, which is our rank 2. So two ranks are given. So you have to find the difference of x minus y, which is D is equal to x minus y. So that where rho is equal to the rank of the correlation coefficient. The notation of rank correlation coefficient is rho. D is the difference between the pairs of rank. So we have to find the D value. So when the ranks are not given, the given values must be assigned rank with rank 1 to the highest value or the lowest value, and rank 2 the next highest or lowest value, and so on. So if it is they are not given the rank, they are generally given the data, you have to assign the rank. You can assign it as highest to lowest or lowest to highest. We can take first highest value as 1, or you can take first lowest value as 1 and then second lowest value as 2, like that. So here also we have to find the D value by using a rank 1 minus rank 2, difference between the two ranks, and the same formula is used here also. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation D square divided by n of n square minus 1. Let us see our next type, which is repeated ranks. So in some cases, the values may be repeated and these values must assign equal ranks. So we have to find the average of the rank and assign this value to the repeated values. For example, if two individuals are ranked equal in third and fourth place, then we assign the average rank, which is 3 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3.5 to those values. Similarly, if three values are ranked second, third and fourth, we have to find the value of average of these three terms, which is 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 3. You will get the value 3 for those three values. So your rank will be second value also 3, third value is also 3, and fourth place is also 3, which is your rank of these three terms. So as we average the ranks, and adjustment or correction factors is added, which is 1 by 12 of m cube minus m. The correction factor is 1 by 12 of m cube minus m. Here this m is your rank, how many times it is repeated. So which is your m value, and to the summation d square, you have to add this m value 1 by 12 of m cube minus m into your summation d square. If there is more than one repetition, so you have to add your correction factor again. The correction factor is added as many times as the number of repetitions. The formula can be given here, which is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 of summation d square plus 1 by 12 of m cube minus m, which is your first correction factor. If it is your rank is repeated one time or two times, which is here added. So one times means you have to add one correction factor. If it is repeated, your 2 or 3 ranks are repeated 2 to 3 times, you have to add one more correction factor, which is 1 by 12 of m cube minus m. So if it is the same rank is repeated one time or two time means you have to use this correction factor divided by n cube minus n. For example, if the rank 3.5 is repeated 2 times and 9 is repeated 3 times and 6.5 is repeated 2 times. So here 3 different ranks repeated second 2 time, 3 time, again 2 time. So here your m value is this 2 times, 3 times, again 2 times, which is your m value, because here we are having different rank or repeated different times. So we have to use your m value correction factor. You have to add your correction factor for each times, each repeated ranks, so that we are substituting here 1 minus 6 of this is separator. This is not whole thing divided by, this is 1 minus of. Here the correction is there. You have to change it 1 minus 6 of summation d square plus 1 by 12 of first 2 times it is repeated. 3.5 is repeated 2 times. So 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 by 12 of 9 is repeated 3 times. So you have to substitute 3 cube minus 3 plus 1 by 12 of 6.5 is repeated 2 times. So you have to again substitute 2 cube minus 12 divided by n of n square minus 1 or n cube minus 1. So this is the formation for repeated ranks. So you have to remember this, which is 1 minus of, this is not the whole thing divided by, which is 1 minus of the terms.
Let us see one example. 7 methods of imparting business education were ranked by the MBA students of 2 universities as follows. So here methods of teaching and rank of students are given. Rank of students of University A, rank of students of University B is given. So here clearly they are mentioned the rank of students. So they are given the rank. So we have to find by using our formula, which is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n of n square minus 1, because our ranks are given. So we have to use this formula by using a question directly. So we are taking x as rank of students of University A and y as rank of student of University B. Let us construct an table. First column is given x value, second column is given y value. Then we have to find d, which is the difference of the given value. So d is equal to x minus y. So 2 minus 1 will be 1, 1 minus 3 will be minus 2, 5 minus 2 will be 3, 3 minus 4 will be minus 1, 4 minus 7 will be minus 3, 7 minus 5 will be 2, 6 minus 6 will be 0. Now we have to find d square value. If we square d terms, you will get d square. 1 square is 1, minus 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, minus 1 square is 1, minus 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 0 square is 0. If we add all the terms in d square, you will get summation d square is equal to 28. So now we have to substitute into our formula. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n of n square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 of summation d square value is 28 divided by n value is here. The 7 datas are given. So our n is equal to 7 of 7 square minus 1. So 6 into 28 divided by 7 of 7 square minus 1 will be 336. If it solve this term, you will get 0.5, which is your rank correlation value for when datas are given. Let us see our next example. Calculate the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient between marks in accountancy and marks in statistics from the data. Here they are given marks in accountancy and marks in statistics. They are not given the rank. So we have to find the value of rank and then use a formula. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n of n square minus 1. Let us find the values of rank. So x as we are taking x as marks in accountancy, y as marks in statistics. Let us construct an table. A first column is given x values, second column is given y values. Then we have to find rank of x, which is we are denoting or base small x. So we have to assign rank for each term. So here they are taken lowest term. 17 is the lowest term in x. So we are assigning the rank 1 for 17. So after that 23 is the second lowest term compared with other terms. So we are taking 23 as the second rank. And then 35 is the third term. So compared with other terms. So we are taking third rank for 35, and then 47 as the fourth rank and 48 as the fifth rank. Here they are mentioned lowest to highest. The ranks are mentioned to lowest to highest. Similarly for Y also we are denoting the rank. So 20 is the first lowest term. So we are assigning rank 1 to the 20, and then 25 is the second lowest term. So we are assigning second rank to 25, and then 40 is the third lowest term. So we are assigning 3 for the 40, and then 45 for 4, and 48 as 5. So we are assigning rank here lowest to highest. So you can assign for highest to lowest also, but you have to assign one by one. Lowest term means you have to assign one by one. So here we have assigned the rank 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. Now we have to find the value of D. So Rx minus Ry. 5 minus 4 will be 1, 3 minus 1 will be 2, 1 minus 3 will be minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. If you square D values, you will get D square is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, minus 2 square is 4, 0 square is 0, minus 1 square is 1. If we add all the terms in D square, you will get summation D square is equal to 10. Now you have to substitute into a formula. 1 minus 6 of summation D square is 10 divided by given n values. So there are 5 datas are given. So n is equal to 5. So 5 of 5 square minus 1, which is 1 minus 60 divided by 120. If we solve this term, you will get 0.5. So your row rank correlation is equal to 0.5 for this problem also. Let us see our next example. 7 students have obtained the following ranks in 2 subjects, economics and commerce. Find their rank correlation coefficient. So we are going to find the rank correlation coefficient. So rank in economics and rank in commerce are given. So here they are directly given the rank, but in our rank their values are 7, 1, 3, 6, 5, 3, 3. 5, 1, 2.5, 2.5, 4, 7, 6. So here the repeated ranks are there. So you have to find by using a formula 1 minus 6 of summation D square plus m of m square minus 1 divided by 12 plus m of m square minus 1 divided by 12 divided by the whole thing divided by n of n square minus 1. So here we are going to use a repeated formula for correlation, rank correlation. So let us see how to find the repeated rank correlation. So we are taking X as rank in economics, Y has rank in commerce. Let us construct a table. Our first column is X values, second column is Y values. We are going to find D value. So which is D is equal to X minus Y. So D is equal to X minus Y. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 2.5 is 0.5. 6 minus 2.5 is 3.5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So now we have to square all the terms in D. You will get D square. 2 square is 4. 0 square is 0. 0.5 square is 0.25. 3.5 square is 12.25. 1 square is 1. Minus 4 square is 16. Minus 3 square is 9. If you add all the terms in D square, you will get 42.5, which is your summation D square. Now you have to substitute into a formula, but here the ranks are repeated. The rank 3 is 3 times repeated because in our X column the rank 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. So the 3 is repeated 3 times. In Y 2.5 is repeated 2 times. So that they are mentioned 3 repeated 3 times and 2.5 is repeated 2 times. So we have to use the formula, repeated rank formula. So here 1 minus 6 of summation D square value is 42.5 plus m. So I already told you, if it is your rank is repeated, so how many times it repeated, that is your m value. So your rank 3 is repeated 3 times and 2.5 is repeated 2 times. So we are taking that value 2 times and 3 times. So m is 2 of 2 square minus 1 divided by 12 plus again your rank 3 is repeated 3 times. So you have to write 3 of 3 square minus 1 divided by 12. The whole thing divided by 7. Datas are given. So 7 of 7 square minus 1. Now we are solving this value. 1 minus 6 of 42.5 plus. If you divide this term, you will get 0.5 plus. If you divide the second term, you will get 2 divided by 336. If we solve this value, you will get 0.1964, which is your row value rank correlation for this problem.
So you have to remember that the formula in rank correlation is 1 minus of, which is 1 minus of, the value is 1 minus of the division term, 6 summation d square divided by n of n square minus 1. You should not use this divide to the whole term, 1 minus 6 summation d square, the whole thing divided by n of. Not like that. You have to remember 1 minus of 6 summation d square divided by n of n square minus 1. In repeated rank also, that is 1 minus of 6 of summation d square plus m of m square minus 1 divided by 12 plus m of m square minus 1 divided by 12, the whole thing divided by n of n square minus 1. So you have to first find this term, the second term. After that you have to subtract with the value of 1. So 1 minus. So you have to remember that this because it is the major mistake for all the students are doing. So you have to remember this important note. Thank you for watching this video. In this